Let's look at the top 4 tips that can help you live off dividends as soon as possible. Number 4, start now. One of the fastest ways to live off of dividends is to start investing now. Don't wait. If you start now, you can start taking advantage of compound interest. Compound interest is when you earn interest on your investment, and then you earn interest on that interest. For example, let's say you invest $1,000 at an annual rate of 5%. After 1 year, you will have earned $50 in interest. And so your total balance will be $1,050. In the second year, you will earn 5% interest on the entire $1,050 balance, which comes out to $52.50. As you can see, compound interest can help your money grow, and you really start to reap the benefits of compound interest the longer you invest. That's why it's so important to start investing sooner rather than later if you want to live off of dividends. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Number 3, do your research. Any investor looking to live off of dividends as soon as possible can find plenty of strategies to follow. However, one key step is to pick the best dividend-paying stocks to invest in. This may seem like a difficult task, but there are several resources available to help. First, start by doing your own research on potential investments. Look for companies with a history of strong dividend payments, and try to diversify your portfolio across different sectors. You can also consult with a financial advisor to get professional guidance on which stocks to buy. There's also several videos on this channel that can help you pick the best dividend-paying stocks to invest in, so be sure to check those out. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to reaching your goal of living off of dividends sooner rather than later. Number 2, save more money. It's no secret that saving money is one of the best ways to secure your financial future. By setting aside money each month, you can build up a nest egg that will support you in retirement or help you cover unexpected expenses. However, one often overlooked benefit of saving money is that it can help you live off of dividends sooner. Dividend stocks are a great way to generate regular income, and the more money you have saved, the more shares you can buy. As a result, saving more money now can put you on the path to financial independence. So if you're looking for ways to live off of dividends as soon as possible, be sure to focus on boosting your savings rate. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, earn more money. One way to live off of dividends sooner is to make more money. The more money you can save and invest in your portfolio, the better. One way to make more money is to negotiate a higher salary at your job. If you're able to earn an extra $10,000 per year, for example, you can invest that money and live off of the dividends sooner than you ever thought possible. Another way to make more money is to start a side hustle. There are many ways to make extra money nowadays, whether it's through freelance work, blogging, or even selling products online. If you can earn an extra $500 per month, for example, that can really add up over time. The key is to start early and focus on creating a stream of passive income. The more passive income streams you have coming in, the sooner you can live off of dividends. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.